Many of the times that you have the inbox which is cluttered with a lot of emails coming from maybe the same people all the time, and these, for instance, Google, and here you can see TubeBuddy, and here you can see these like that. To manage emails like this, we're going to talk about two features that are very helpful in Gmail. The first one is going to be filters. We're going to learn how you can use filters to automatically sort your emails from the same senders, and also the search mail feature. So these are the two features that we're going to discuss starting from now. So for instance, here, if you want to add a filter on Gmail, every time you receive an email from Google, it's going to be filtered and put in a certain place. All you have to do is click on one of these, and then you click on these three dots there, and then you're going to see filter messages like this. When you click there, you are going to see that now what it's going to do here, it's going to filter your emails for you. And here it's using these criteria, the parameter. And so you can change this and say maybe put Google here. This can be changed. So you can simply say from Google, for instance, you can say all emails from Google, because sometimes they can change and use a different email. So if you want to set all Google emails, you can simply put Google there, and all the emails that come from Google, they are going to be acted upon by this filter. So when you're done doing that, you can just click on create filter. When you create the filter, here are the actions that you can put on that filter. Every time you get emails from Google, for instance, what do you want to do? Do you want to skip the inbox or archive the email? Do you want to mark it as read or star it? Apply the label on it, which here you can choose the label that you'd want to apply on it. Maybe you want to create a new label, and here we can simply say actually it's going to be a new label. We're going to say Google label, and so you can create this label, and it's going to be put there. Then maybe you want to forward this. If you want to forward, then you have to provide the address where these emails will be forwarded. Also down here you have the delete. Maybe you want to delete the emails that come from Google. So maybe you want to these emails to never be sent to spam. Maybe you always want those emails to be marked as important, never mark it as important, categorize as. Here you can choose the category where you want those emails to be. You have different categories: primary, social, updates, forums, promotions, etc. Also, you can apply filters to 5 matching conversations, and this is very important. Every time you get the emails, these actions will be applied on them, but also the ones that we have here, they should also be affected by these changes filter we are creating right now. So maybe you want to mark these as read, for instance. You can simply just do that. Then when you are done selecting the actions that you want to be taken, you can create a filter. When you click there, now these Google emails have been added to the Google label, and every time we get an email from Google, it's going to be marked as read, just like that. And when you come down here, we're going to see that we have a Google label. When you click there, you're only going to get Google labels like that. Now, this is good way to organize your emails from like the inbox. Here you can simply say that, okay, this is coming from Google. If you want, you can actually delete the emails that come from Google if that's what you want. Right now, we've created this filter. It's going to make sure that all the emails that come from Google are marked as read. To make any changes to it, all you have to do is simply come to settings. When you are here, click on see all settings. And here you're going to see different tabs. What you should look for is filters and blocked addresses. And here, when you click there, you're going to see the filters that you've created. If you have 10, they are all going to appear here. And here you have this filter. You have two options. You can edit the filter. You can also delete the filter. If you want to delete, you can simply click there. But in our case, if you want to edit, you just click there. Then you can simply go on and change. Maybe you want to change the criteria that you use here and put the email address that you want to use. Then you can continue and maybe change this and say, okay, every time you get Google emails, they should be deleted. So you get rid of that, apply the label, and just like that, and even to the ones that you have now. So when you do that, now when you update the filter, created confirm. Now, as you can see here, we don't have the Google emails. That's because they were deleted. We can go on and do the same for TubeBuddy and also these other emails that I've received here. The search feature is a powerful way for you to easily find an email from the inbox. Sometimes your inbox is going to be cluttered with a lot of emails. For you to be able to simply find it, you can just search for it. So for instance, if I'm searching for an email from Team TubeBuddy, you can just type team there, then I'll be able to see the team the emails are now showing here from Team TubeBuddy, and this is going to narrow your search, and it's going to be easier for you to look and find the email that you are looking for. So this is the final, feature that I wanted to discuss and share with you. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like on this video and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions about Gmail, please leave them in the comments. Ask me questions, I'll respond to you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.